So if you love avocados, you need to try these avocado fries. They are so good. So let's go ahead and get started and I will show you how it's done. So let's get started on these avocado fries. I'm going to go through real quick on what I have going on here. Instead of flour, I'm going to be using cornstarch today. If you'd rather, you can go ahead and use flour. Have no exact measurements. I probably have about a half a cup here. 1 beaten egg and 1 cup of plain panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to season these up. I have about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm going to add a little bit of cayenne. Now we need to go ahead and slice our avocado up. I'm going to split this in half. I'm going to go ahead and slice these to about the size that I want them. I'm going to take my spoon and scoop this out. I'm going to go ahead and do the other half. Take one of our avocado slices and dip it into the cornstarch. Coat it well. Then into our egg. And our panko. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and finish these up and I'll be right back. Now that I have these breaded up, I am going to lightly spray them with cooking oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like. I'm going to be using olive oil. I don't really want to get in a debate over what oil is best. Now we're going to place our avocado fries into the air fryer basket. And now we are ready to pop these into the air fryer. All right, I set the temperature at 400 degrees. I'm going to go for 10 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to check it. More likely, turn them over and go another 5 minutes or so. We are 5 minutes in on the first side. Let's take a peek. Oh, these are nice and golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. Suggest not using your hands. Now I have a little bit of cornstarch coming through. I'm going to spray those spots with my cooking spray. If I did not have these white spots, I would not spray. Okay, oh, I missed a spot. Okay, looking good. I'm not sure we need to go the full 5 minutes. I'll probably go 3 more minutes. Okay, we are 3 minutes in on the other side. And these are ready. I just plated up our avocado fries. Now for the moment of truth. This is my first time having an avocado fry. I have some ranch dressing here. Oh my goodness. That is really good. Really good. It's nice and crispy and it's so, oh, what's the word? Smooth, buttery, creamy. That is the word I was looking for. This is really good. So if you're new here and have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so, especially if you love your air fryer as much as I love mine. The majority of my recipes are done using the air fryer. Subscriber or not, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.